thank you for joining us for a Landis Contact Center feature spotlight. Today I want to look at the agent timeline. I'm going to start from the agent's perspective of this. Within Landis Contact Center, we give the agent some options for what status to be in. So primarily this is whether or not they're available for calls. So I'm available to take calls, or I'm in some other reason why I'm not taking calls. And these can be customized by an organization to be able to track how much time each agent is spending in any specific statuses. So let's go over now to the manager's side of the agent timeline and the reporting side. So I get that in the Analytics and Reports tab. The agent summary is where we're going to start. Now, the agent summary includes things like how many calls the agent is taking, what's their average talk time, are they rejecting calls, that type of thing. But if I scroll over here, I have enabled the agent status summary on this report as well. So you can look at how much time your agents are spending in each individual status as a summary for that time period. This is very useful for a manager that's trying to determine how much time their agents are spending each day in a break mode, or maybe in doing paperwork or tickets, that type of thing. This gives you an easy summary of that information. Now we have another way to look at this data also. It's a visual report called the Agent Timeline Report. Now this timeline report is filtered down. The one you're looking at here is filtered down to one agent for one day. The top line is showing the different calls that the agent was in, so you can see those timestamps. The next line is showing that agent status, and so it's showing the different timestamps, and each status has a different color, including all your custom statuses that you may have made, so you can track exactly when an agent is in a certain status. And then you can also see the queue sign in is the bottom bar if they're signed in or signed out of a certain queue. Now I can zoom in here and I can get even down to the very minute. If you have a complaint about agents not being available at a certain time, you can go back and look at that exact moment and see what status they were in. Were they in calls? Were they signed into the queue? So you can see all of that information. Gives you a real nice visual for that. And then you can also download either of these reports into a spreadsheet and get the actual sign in, sign out stamps on that report if you're looking to create another report of some kind on your own. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for watching another Landis Contact Center feature spotlight.